Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hub. Today's topic is logo design. So let's start and make a logo. First of all, I will show you the design of a template, and then I will go for the main video. First of all, I will edit here. I sorry, icon iconic logo. Then I will make it yes iconic logo. Then I will change its color. I will change this color as which color will be the perfect here. I will take this and this gray color, and this will be the which color will be the perfect here. um, Deeper black. I think deeper black will be the perfect here. Now I will change this color. Its color should be the this, and this color should be the um, which color will be the perfect here. I will make it red. red then this color and this color should be the black, and it's okay, and it's okay. And then you can see here. Now I am going to save it. Here you can see I am saving it. Now I will go for the export and export it as the PNG format. You can see, and you have to click here the use artboard and export it. Okay, export it with the past and replace it with the past. Now go to the file. Sorry, I think here is some problem. Go to the file and create a new file. Create a new file here. You can see you have to take 10 into 10 inch artboard. So create it. Yes, I have got 10 into 10 inch. Any iconic design you have to take. You can take the rectangle tool, then you can take here a star tool. Okay, and I create a star here. Now I will look. First of all, I will null its color. Then I will arrange it. Yes, I think it's perfect. Now I will give sorry, cancel it. Now I will give its color. Give color, make it yellow. Then I will cut this portion and this portion. So go for the shape builder tools. Yes, I cut it down. Yeah, I got my what I want. Yes, Now I will make it 90 degree, 90 degree, then make it 120. Yes, 150. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I think it's perfect. Now I'll delete this and take this here. You can see how it look like. Now I will change here something and make here something. So first of all, I will decrease its stroke color, stroke, and then I will make here what I will do here. Um, Now go for the pen tool. Yes, you can see here. I will change its color. Its color I will make it. Sorry, I'll make it black. How it look like? I think it's look pretty good. Now I will change its color. I'll make it gradient. So make it gradient and okay, make it 90 degree. Yeah, it's fine. So I will change here its color. Which color will be the perfect here? I will make it yellow and make it orange or deeper orange, light or this color. No, I will make it this color, or I can change here its color rate, and this color should be the yellow. Yeah, it will be happened, and now I will go for the next design, and you can change here its gradient color. I will make it also 90 degree, make it 90 degree, and I will make it I will take deeper black, then I will take here this color or this color, okay, or this color. Okay, this color is perfect. So how it look? I think it's look pretty good. And this is the symbol, and it's the icon of a logo. So I will show you the more things here. If you want to, if you want, then you can use here. Okay, sorry, you can use it as an app. So make it. Now I'll make it as, sorry. I have to select this and arrange it with the pen. Now, so okay, you can arrange it with the pen. Now, how it look like? I think it's look pretty good here. And this is also an app. You can use this logo as an app logo. Uh, that's why I made it, and it's the iconic logo. You can see here, it's an iconic logo. This is a symbol. How to make a iconic logo? I will show you the more things, the detailed things about the iconic logo, and the next step you have to join with us. So let's be with us, and I will show more things. Thank you all, and watch our video and to subscribe our channel. Thank you.